Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. Today we are going to be learning how to find your player ID in Devil May Cry Peak of Combat. So first of all, launch the game, open on your device whether you are using an Android or iOS, and once you're inside the game, go to the top left corner and tap on the 3 horizontal menu button. Now you'll see this pop-up menu where you'll see your ID at the top. Just tap on the square stacked icon or the copy button to copy your ID, and you can save this ID somewhere safe if you need it later. So that is how you find your player ID in Devil May Cry Peak of Combat. Keep it handy when contacting support or managing your game accounts. So that's how it's done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Stay tuned, and thanks for watching.